Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of LegalZoom, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your business or personal legal needs. LegalZoom has been around for over 2 decades and has built a reputation as one of the most recognizable online legal service providers. It's designed for people who want to handle legal tasks without necessarily hiring an attorney for every step. Whether you're starting a new company, managing ongoing compliance, or dealing with personal legal matters like estate planning, LegalZoom offers a broad menu of services to choose from. One of the most appealing aspects of LegalZoom is how beginner-friendly it is. The platform guides you through forms with simple questions, and based on your answers, it generates all the legal documents you need. This helps reduce the stress of navigating government paperwork on your own. For business formation, LegalZoom supports LLCs, corporations, nonprofits, and partnerships. They also offer trademark, copyright, and patent assistance for protecting intellectual property. Beyond business, they provide will and trust preparation, divorce documents, and other personal legal services, all accessible online. Another important benefit is their network of attorneys. Through subscription-based plans, you can have access to professional legal advice for a monthly fee, which can be much more affordable than hiring an attorney on an hourly basis. This is especially valuable for small businesses that face regular legal questions or need ongoing support. LegalZoom also offers compliance services to ensure you're keeping up with state requirements, such as annual reports and business licenses. However, LegalZoom is not the cheapest option on the market. You'll often find that their base prices are higher than some newer competitors, and many features like expedited filing, registered agent services, or operating agreements cost extra. While the value is there for those who want convenience and support, budget-conscious users may want to compare costs before committing. Customer service is a strong point for LegalZoom. They offer extended phone support, email assistance, and a library of online resources. Most users report friendly and knowledgeable staff, which is reassuring when dealing with legal matters that can have long-term consequences. Still, some customers have noted slower turnaround times if you don't pay for expedited processing, so keep that in mind if you're on a tight deadline. One potential downside is the upselling during checkout. While LegalZoom is transparent about what you're paying for, you may feel pressured to add on services you didn't initially plan to purchase. This isn't uncommon with online legal services, but it's something to be aware of so you can stick to your budget. Overall, LegalZoom is a strong option for individuals and small businesses that value ease of use, a wide range of services, and access to professional advice. It may not be the least expensive solution, but its brand reputation, customer support, and reliability make it a trusted choice for millions of users. If you're looking for a straightforward, one-stop platform to handle both your business and personal legal needs, LegalZoom remains a solid contender in 2025. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.